Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of on me app. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about on me app and you will click. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So please don't forget to press the like and subscribe. See you next time. And thank you for your watching and your